Hey y'all, welcome to our front yard garden, and it's Nisha B and Leila.
Yay!
So in today's video, we will be harvesting our lemon cucumber and tomatoes and whatever else we can harvest in the garden. Look what we got. So stay tuned to see how we got all these fruits and vegetables. Okay?
Hey guys,
This is our garden, and we are picking what today?
lemon cucumber.
All right, and we live in Mississippi. Let's see how many lemon cucumbers we can get today. So
Ooh, I see one right here, a tiny one.
that's a tiny one. We want to get one a little bigger than that. We're gonna let that one grow.
Yeah.
Okay. I seen one right there. You see it?
Yeah, it's a picky dot.
Take your time so you won't hurt the other plants. There you go. Good job.
Yeah,
So that is what a lemon cucumber look like, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. And it tastes just like a regular cucumber, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let's get some more. I seen one over here, I thought. There's one down there on the ground. Down here.
It's a tiny one though.
Yeah, you can get, is that the one? Yeah, you can get that one because it got a little yellow at the top.
Yeah.
That one ready.
Yeah.
Okay, we got two of them. There go the other one I was talking about right up there. You see?
Where?
Right here.
Yeah. Yeah. Ah! Ah!
What?
Ah!
Oh, it's a little bug on it. Okay, let mama do it. Knock the bug off. Did it get off? I think I got
it
it.
was a butterfly. I think it was a ladybug.
It might have was a ladybug. Did we see any more lemon cucumbers? The lemon cucumbers in the basket, baby, because we probably get a lot of those. Put them in the basket. Just pour them out, put them in the basket.
Cool.
We're going to save the bowl for the tomatoes.
And what about the okra?
The okra,
Yeah.
I think we got a couple of them ready. Let's see. You can't get that. They're too tall for you. We got Toto on the ground.
You be able to step on Toto, so you're on Toto.
I'm not going to step on Toto. This one right here got some okra that's ready. Huh?
I hope the tiny one be done tomorrow.
All the tiny cucumbers?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. And that okra is little, so we'll let that one stay.
Not because that much cucumber.
We got some more on the outside to get.
Huh?
We got some more lemon cucumbers. You put that in the bowl on the outside to get.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll do it. I don't even know where the outside is.
The outside of the fence, baby.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah.
I can help the way the pink too.
Yes, you can help. I'm just making sure we don't miss any on the inside. I thought I seen one over here. It is. There's one right here.
Give me.
We'll pick that one. It's bigger than the other two.
It's yellow.
And it still got a flower on it. So if you get them at this size, the size we just picked, the skin is more tender than those. But either way, they taste good to me. The skin is more tender than a regular cucumber. All right, let's go to the other side. We are now on the outside of the fence.
I must see the inside.
You see one on the inside?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me get in there and see. Okay. She said she seen one on the inside. Where you see it at?
Right there. A tiny one. Though.
Look, the marigolds coming in over here. Remember you said the marigolds weren't coming in?
Yeah.
You found some lemon cucumbers?
No, I found the purple flower.
There's some lemon cucumbers over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, see? You see one?
Yeah.
You want to pick it?
Yeah.
It's kind of deformed looking, but we still can eat it. Let's see. There you go.
Okay, maybe don't pick it. Dude, I got the car.
Yeah, that's our car. Alright, come on. There's some more down here for you take that one.
Okay.
It's two on right here to go.
Okay. Ow.
You okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
You dropped the other one.
Yeah.
Okay. Take your time. Pull it out. There you go. The balls is hard to catch, huh? I got the basket over here. Let me give you the basket. Okay.
And they were spiky too.
They a little spiky?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are.
And they don't like the purple power coming. They say, y'all the purple power.
Yeah, they coming. They ain't opened up yet. They kind of pink, though, more than purple.
Yeah. And I like the pink.
Oh, it's two more.
Oh.
You see them?
Yeah. Okay. Is that what I'm doing? Ow.
Be careful.
That's the best right here.
Okay.
I don't know how to bust my head.
I don't know how you keep bumping your head. Okay. Have you seen any more? Is that it?
That could not it.
I think we got them all.
Okay, let's go back in to see that.
All the lemon cucumbers we got. Get our basket.
Yeah, do the back to the
Let's go back on the inside. All right, y'all. We've been growing these black beans. We're going to pick some of them off because I think the ones without the spots are good.
Hey,
Huh?
do that.
Come on back so I can pick these beans.
Let's go, Dean. Let me see. I don't even know her backpack. Her backpack. Oh.
They these. Ooh, I just opened one accidentally.
Can we eat that open one?
Yeah, I've dropped it. I keep dropping the seed, the bean.
Give me.
Okay.
I want to eat that one.
See, that's how the bean look on the inside of the pod
I too want to eat.
when we shell them.
Ew.
Yeah, we'll eat it in some soup. So I mean, if we got some more.
Maybe we can make them soup today for dinner.
Mm-hmm.
The chicken. Oh, but I want a chicken noodle soup.
You don't want a chicken noodle soup.
Yeah, I want chicken noodle soup.
Yeah, see, some of these got these black spots on it, and I think those are the ones that are bad. Let's see. See, they got the mold on it. You see that mold on it, the little white stuff? Yeah, that's bad, baby. That's a bad bean.
Sometimes you be open.
But you want to let them dry on the plant, though, the beans.
Why the back is so pokey?
It's pokey. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mom, sometimes you need to dough.
We got some more beans under there.
Yeah. And the sun is in my eye.
The sun. Yeah, it's hot out here.
And I don't every time I hold the basket.
Well, put the basket on the ground then, baby.
Okay.
Alright. I think most of these are still good.
Why
Some nice little bit of beans.
Yes. You keep opening them.
I'm trying to see, make sure they ain't bad. Because they got the little black spots on it, but that one bad. Yeah, this girl say we gonna open them when we get back inside. She ready to go in this house. I think this heat.
The thing. Never push nobody inside.
Okay, well let's pick the tomatoes. Let's get the ones on the outside since we on the outside.
Okay.
Whew. We are on the outside of the fence. You got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Got my little helper, you guys.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on through. We're going to set it back here on the back of the car.
Okay.
Alright, let's see what tomatoes we can get.
I got a tomato right here. It's a bad tomato right here.
You see a lot of tomatoes?
Yeah, I bet them tomatoes.
Okay. We'll put them in our bowl with our beans.
The beans. The boy with the bean.
This one bad. It got a spot in it.
Two.
Okay, let's see. There's one back here.
A boy with the pot. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, which is the movement over here? Ooh, what's inside?
Yeah, some on the inside. There's a lot of them on the inside. We'll go on the inside and get them.
I can leave my hand in there.
You got them. Okay.
I can leave my hand in there.
We got some all right here.
I see it. Oh, it's
I dropped one. Leila. You got it?
Yeah. It's 15.
Good, still good. We'll rinse them out when we get in the house. You getting them?
I got the time to come.
Okay, well leave that one alone. So we still got the other bush over there. We still got over there to get and look.
Huh?
Our marigolds finally making flowers. You see any over here?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the ones over here.
Oh, this is
I'll throw it on the ground. You know what to do.
oh, we can feed it tonight.
Yeah, well, we can feed the Nike. Nike is our dog, you guys. She finna see if Nike's gonna eat the tomato.
Oh, I know you already.
Okay. Nike ate it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's find another one for Nike, though. Anyway, so you did this here.
Okay. Think it ain't close enough.
They eat out of my hand, I think.
Yeah. You eating a tomato? You healthy? All right, let's finish picking tomatoes.
A healthy dog.
You got some all on the outside over there.
The back is on the outside anyway.
You can bring it on the inside. I think we got more on the inside now since we got most of them on the outside.
Okay. I can like walking through the pants. Like the potato meat. That I like to do.
Yeah.
Why I keep dropping everything? Tomatoes.
Because they balls. They little old balls. It's hard to keep the balls in your hand. Some more up top.
Come on.
We finna pick some peppers, you guys. You see, we do got a red one. I thought we didn't have a red one.
Take it up.
That one probably gonna be spicy. You see the basket?
Here. You put it in here. Good. Where's the mosquito pepper too?
We are done harvesting and picking things today, y'all. See y'all in the next video. Bye.
Bye.